Are you tired of those basic, slow water elevators in Bloxd.io? If yes, you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm gonna show you how to make the fastest Bloxd.io elevator. So it's actually the fastest elevator in the whole of Bloxd.io. It goes 35 blocks a second, like that. Check this out, it's really awesome. So watch at the end of the video to find out how to build it. So firstly, you want to grab some white concrete and place it as shown. So just like a basic elevator. Then you want to tower it up, like it depends what build you're building. Sometimes if it's a skyscraper, you want to build it like fairly up. Sometimes if it's just one story building, it doesn't. So like it doesn't matter which height it is, it will always be up. Of course, with bigger heights, we will see the strength better. So leave 2 blocks and then tower it up this side too. So as you can see, 2 blocks. Then place a ladder, leave a block, and place another ladder, and leave a block. So every 2 blocks you want to place a ladder. So from every ladder there's 1 block of difference. And then in this block we want to place water using our water bucket. So you'll find out why, but this will make it pretty fast. And now you see the block where the water is placed. You want to place the ladder on this block, not on the block of where the ladder is, but the block where the water is. And make sure you place it in this side, okay? Go from here. So especially don't put it like that, it's a very terrible mistake. And then again, every 2 blocks you want to place it, so on every side where there's the water bucket, you want to place an iron ladder on the side. And then guys, let's check this out. As you can see guys, it's immensely fast, it's the fastest. But of course, let's tower this thing up a bit. Let's make it higher so you can guys actually see the real power, the real speed of this elevator. Not the because this wasn't even 35 blocks, so you couldn't actually see. So as you can see guys, it's the same design. Whichever height you're doing, it will be the same design. It doesn't matter. What matters is you make it right and don't put too much water or a ladder or something like that. That's a terrible mistake. Other than that, let's just do this. Alright, now let's test this thing out. Whoa, now that is very fast. Of course, don't forget to build a platform, because as you can see, it's so fast I fell down. Just like that, just build a platform or your base or whatever, your free choice. Alright, just like that. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I hope it helped you. Comment down below what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps a lot. And I'll see you in the next one.